what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be getting to a car show. We're out with the boys, Cameron, his buddy, I don't remember his name to be honest, and then myself. It's going to be a good time. We're going to see some cool cars, take some good roads. So I hope you guys liked that last track video that I did. I know it's a little bit of a different content that like not a lot of people, you know, not enjoy, but you know, are niche to. But I had a ton of fun going to the track. There's definitely going to be more track day videos. I had so much fun doing it. I'm gonna be living, when I move down to Florida, I'm gonna be living like an hour away from the track. It's gonna be a good time. But up here we got a MT-03. And then Cameron all the way up there, he's on his 636 2024. I think is a beast. So this will be the first car show that I actually that I post on YouTube that I go to. I go to these all the time. So let me know if you guys, you know, enjoy this kind of content, because then I'll keep posting it, because I go to one like every week or every other week. And I got some good fun. I got some good buddies that we go out with, some night riding after, and that might be good content for you guys as well. Actually, I'm gonna cut it off to when we get to the car show, because Cameron's friend is a newer rider. We don't want to just fly past him and just, you know, get him hurt. We don't want to do that. So, alrighty, here's all the cars. All the boys are here. They're like, look at that shit. Carbon fiber. It's a wrap though, I think, right?
No, that's real.
Is it?
Yeah.
This is the that's the Supra that Michael and I went out with. That was in my one video. This thing's loud, bro. This thing roars. Oh, and this is the Shelby. This is the Shelby that I was talking about too. Yeah, I think it's the same one. Yup. Yeah, bro. This thing. To this thing, we were. Dude, he pulled out, bro. He went like this, and it was already the wheels were already spinning. This thing has so much fucking power. What's up, buddy? How's it going?
Good to see you guys. Good to see you. Did you just get that windscreen on your bike?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah, I've never seen that before prior.
Yeah, Michael's. Dude, when he and I went out for a ride like a few months ago, bro, we're so lucky they weren't cops. It's just fast, bro. Look at this real quick. Two S1000s. We got an old one and a new one. These things are nice, bro. If I had some extra money, this is where I go.
Alright.
Look how nice it looks. Alright, I'm getting you some rollers, dude. But yeah, let me know if you guys enjoy this type of content. I'm kind of letting them go up a little bit so I can kind of go a little bit faster. So like I don't want to fly past them. That's just not nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm probably gonna put a little bit more at the end of us just doing some twisties here, but I really hope you guys did enjoy. The next few videos are probably gonna be a little bit faster paced than this one. I don't want, you know, I know you guys have all seen, you know, the Jixer bra, things like that, where they're getting in Wheel Kid Hill, things like that, where they're getting in trouble for their speeding videos. You know, I don't really want to be in that situation because I can't afford it. Like, my job would fire me if I got arrested for that kind of stuff, right? So like, it's just one of those things where I try to chill out a little bit, but I also want to still make good content for you all, and you know, it's kind of trying to find a happy medium for that. So that's kind of where we are right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed. There's gonna be some extra clips at the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit.